Guys, welcome back to the channel. It is a friggin' scorcher in here because friggin' the air conditioner that we recently bought, and it was used, and of course when you buy used crap, it's literally broken. Like, you'll feel it, no friggin' cold air coming through whatsoever. No cold air, I might as well just shut it off. Nothing coming through. What the hell's not shutting off? What the hell? It's not even shutting off now. What the hell? Look at this. Off. Off, and it's still going. What the hell? The air conditioner won't turn off. Holy crap, the air conditioner won't even turn off now. You switch the off button, it won't even shut off. Holy crap. I think it is broken, man. Where's the damn plug for this? I'm gonna unplug it or something. Oh my god, man, why? Come on. Just unplug it. Fucking plug it back. Ah, what the fuck? That is completely screwed. Are you seeing this? What the hell? It just starts right away when I plug it back in. It's off. Like, what the hell? What is that? What the hell? That is so freaky. I'm gonna unplug it, I guess. Leave it unplugged for a while. But that ain't gonna fix it. I already know it's broken. That is so messed up. You saw that? Friggin' the switch was off, and it's still running. Like, holy frig. That is insane. Yeah.
That's a nice curse thrown there.
God, man.
I think we got
you got a friggin' broken air conditioner.
Once you have your blast salt ready.
God, I know it's broken because there is not cooling down whatsoever.
Over a bowl of French fries. That way you can
And now it's not even shutting off.
Enhance the flavor of your French fries. Now is that
That's a really messed up air conditioner that doesn't shut off.
Ooh, it looks good. Let's go in for a bite.
You can see it's 26 degrees Celsius in here. If you're in the States and don't know Celsius, use a converter and it'll show you what it is in Fahrenheit. That's really hot in Celsius anyway. It's really bad. Hey, look, I don't even have a shirt on. If I wear a shirt, I'll just start sweating like crazy and be burning. No, great. Like, you're getting a freak, man. You're getting an air conditioner and it freaking breaks. Like, God, man. You got ripped off. That's why that, kids, is why you do not buy an air conditioner used. Because of that. Right there. It's freaking broken. It's not even running the air conditioner anymore. You can clearly see the fans just running. And it won't even shut off now. Jeez, man. Alright, guys, we're going to take a quick break. We'll be back in a second. Hey, guys, welcome back. Frig, man. The worst part is buying an air conditioner brand new ain't even optional in the summer, man. Because it's literally sold out of every store. You will not find one. Like, you're lucky to even find one friggin' used. It's crazy. You gotta, like, literally buy it in the winter time to actually be able to find one. Because if you try to buy it in the summertime, it's all gonna be sold out of all the stores.
Stronger, more fit, less Chinese food, more Subway than ever. Remember Jared from Subway?
Oh my god, that friggin' meme. Yeah, he's inspired a lot of people. I love that. It's friggin' insane, man. Like, I can't believe that. Like, friggin' broken already, man. It's been like, it hasn't even been that long at all. Like, we just got it recently and now it's broken. Like, come on. But unfortunately, it's not an option to buy it brand new. Could have easily bought one brand new, but unfortunately, that ain't an option in the summertime, which really sucks. So basically, you gotta go through the risk of buying a friggin' used one, and hopefully it's not broken, but this one was. It was working for a while, but it was obviously something messed up with it, and they knew something was messed up with it. That's why they ended up selling. God, that fucking scene is hilarious. God. Oh my God. Like, I'm freaking, what degrees is it now? It's probably went up by now. No, it's still at 26. Feels like it's going up, but holy frig.
Oh, you know what's in here, dude? Look, you know, I know we've had like a nice
God.
mirrors or whatever, but look, I've got to say fucking bye-bye.
Where the hell do you find one brand new in the summertime?
Look at all these bracelets, man.
Like, you and my dad, that's why if you buy one brand new, you go and buy it in like the winter time or something, because it's all sold out when summer comes, it's friggin' hot, so you know everyone's gonna be buying them. It's the worst time to try to buy an air conditioner. Completely.
You know what I'm saying? Frankly, it's not even fair how easy it is to get pussy with these bracelets right now. This is not a joke. I'm on my way to the street now to get some kisses from some hot cuties.
God. I'm boiling right now. I feel like boiling live.
You might want to get a second opinion on that.
I'm gonna pour more cold water on my head because unfortunately, no air conditioner now.
Yeah, fucking shoved it in me, dude. Let me out of this rape dungeon, man.
Why do you think I would never buy anything, like, especially a phone online used? Some people are freaking selling phones with freaking cracked screens. Like, anyone's gonna want a phone with a cracked screen, no matter, even if it's a new phone, no matter how cheap. It's cracked, so the crack is gonna spread and eventually break the whole screen. The crack doesn't stop spreading. No matter if you don't drop it once, the crack will keep spreading. So it's basically you're buying a broken phone. Here, pay $200 for a broken phone. Some people on there. It's freaking ridiculous. Like, so, do you think anyone's actually gonna buy that? Like, are you freaking retarded? Like, holy frig, man. Like, who actually thinks someone's gonna buy their cracked phone, which is basically a broken phone, because the crack is gonna continue to spread until the screen just stops working. Trust me, I had a phone and one crack, that's all it takes, and it doesn't stop spreading. And then eventually the screen just won't turn on. Anyway guys, hope you really enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for all the support. It really means a lot. Like and subscribe. Until next time, peace out.